Hey guys, it's Hank here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the safe mode with networking and the safe mode option to the Windows 10 boot menu. And that way when you boot the computer up, you'll have the option to select safe mode with networking or safe mode, which is very useful to have when in case you have a problem with malware in the future and you want to be able to boot into safe mode. So in Windows 10, they obviously don't put the safe mode option in the boot menu, so I'm going to show you how you can enable safe mode option in the boot menu. And I want to thank Brytech's video for showing me how to do this, so please remember to subscribe to Brytech09 too. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to hit the Windows key and hold that down. And when you're holding down the Windows key, you want to hit S. Just give it a moment, and that will pull up the search box here. And when you do that, you're going to write command prompt into the search box. And when you see the command prompt, you're going to right click on that, and you're going to run as administrator. Alright, so that will open up the user account control. Just click yes. And what you're going to do is you're going to make it smaller if you want the command prompt. And what you're going to do is you're going to write the following information into the command prompt. You can see down here I have it ready in Notepad. So you want to start writing this first line here that I have here in Notepad. So write BCD edit then put a space slash copy, then put another space, and then hold the shift key down, and then you want to put this mark in there. I'm not sure what that's called, but you want to put current like this and put another one in, and then you want to put a space, put a colon, and put safe boot, and put a space. Make sure you do it like this, safe boot, and then put another colon. And actually, we forgot to write an entry here. Right before current, you want to make sure you have a space slash D. So once you have that, you want to hit enter. And it's going to say the entry was successfully copied, and it's going to give you this code right here. What you want to do is you want to hold down the mouse cursor over this code and mark this code down and just copy it down. And when it's highlighted in white, you want to hold down the control key on the keyboard and hit the C key. And what that will do is that will copy down the code. And what you want to do now is you want to write the second line here, which you see in Notepad. So you want to write BCD edit, put a space slash set, and put another space. And here's where you want to paste in the code. So what you want to do is you want to hold the control key down and hit V, and that will punch in the code. And what you want to do is you want to put another space, and you want to write safe boot minimal, and then hit enter. And what that will do is it will say the operation has completed successfully. So now you've entered in the safe mode option. So now I'm going to show you how to enter in safe mode with networking into the boot menu. So the next thing you're going to do is it's going to be the exact same thing, just a little bit different. So you're going to write BCD edit, put a space slash copy, and you want to put another one of those marks. So and then you want to write current and space slash D, put a colon, safe mode with networking, and put another colon, and then you want to hit enter, and it will say this entry was successfully copied. So again, you want to highlight that number like you did last time. So hold down the mouse over it and move the cursor and highlight the number. And then you want to hit the control key and then hit C. That will copy down the number, the code. And what you want to do is you want to write BC D edit, put a space / set and then space, and hit the control key and hit V and copy down the code. Then put a space, and what you want to do from here is you want to write safe boot and network and hit enter. And once that's done, you have successfully added the option into the boot menu. So you can go ahead and you can close out of the command prompt, and we'll just restart the computer to show you that it's been added to the boot menu. So we'll just go ahead and we'll restart this computer. All right, so while that restarts, I'll pause the video. All right, so once the computer's restarted, you're going to see here that you have the option for safe boot and the safe mode with networking, and the option to boot into Windows 10. So now when you boot your computer up, you can select safe mode or safe mode with networking if you wish. So very useful to have when you first boot the system up. So if your computer maybe had a malware infection and you want to get into safe mode, you can now select safe mode with networking or safe boot, and or you can choose the operating system. So I'm just going to go ahead and boot into safe mode with networking here by clicking on it. And what that will do is that will boot the system into safe mode with networking. So I'll unpause the video once we're into safe mode with networking here. So we're just loading up into safe mode with networking. So we'll give it a minute here. I am doing this over a virtual computer, so it's quite slow. So we'll just give it a moment here and we'll be booted into safe mode with networking in just a second. So there you go. You can see here that we're booted into safe mode with networking. And that's how you do it. And you can always log right back into restart the computer and then log back into Windows normally. So there you go. That's how you add the safe mode option to the boot menu in Windows 10. And if you enjoy these videos, please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And check out Brytech09's video because he was the person that I've watched his video on to show you guys how to do this. So please check out Brytech09's channel. He's very, very good with tutorials as well. And I'm sure you will enjoy a lot of his tutorials too. So if you enjoy my videos, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And take care, guys, and I'll talk to you another time.